Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing weekend. Currently it is Sunday and let's get right to the charts as we do have some very important things to cover. Right now the first and most important thing is that Bitcoin has potentially hit a resistance once again at this order block right here. During my video yesterday we were trading at around 71.8k and then Bitcoin pumped to around 73.6, as you can see, making this high right here. And basically I was expecting a breakout finally of this range, but it does seem like the market makers have another plan right here to potentially take price down once again before we actually do start seeing that move up. One of those reasons is we have a lot, and I'm talking a lot, liquidity piled towards the downside all the way down to potentially 66 to 67k. That's gonna be like, if we measure it from right now down to 66, for example, another 6.5% of a move. And from the high right here, that's gonna be like almost 10% of a move. So it's going to be very, very interesting to see if this actually plays out, or we could get another fake out right here at the EMAs. It all depends how the stock market does on the open. Now there have been some war headlines again. They have basically denied a deal between the US and Iran. So this was the bad news that came out yesterday. I think JD Vance said that. So right now Bitcoin is dropping, as you can see. Same thing for ETH. We are approaching the Monday high and value area high as support. They're going to be acting as support. Same thing for Bitcoin. If this value area high level does not hold, then we could very well get back down to the POC. If we look at it on the daily time frame, we did front run the monthly R1 for quite a bit. As you can see right here, the monthly resistance, it was, I was expecting some confluence right here, but we did front run this level for like a couple of dollars. Also on the other exchanges, like this other chart on Mexi, Bybit, also we front ran this level. So the level was front run on most of the exchanges. So I do think that we will come back to this level, but maybe once the new weekly open, we could see like another weekly candle in the red before we actually start seeing that move up. It's very, very possible. But as of right now, you can see right here, we did reject, currently trading below the daily open. Bitcoin is down almost 3% for the day. Course, as this structure right here is not broken, if we start dropping below this, then we could consider, as I said, going lower. Open interest and CVD did get flushed out with quite a bit of decent volume, as you can see right here, and we are also trading below VWAP. We might retest VWAP at around 71.8k. This is going to be potentially the make it or break it zone. We retest. If we fail to get above it, then we could still head lower, as I said, for another move to these lows right here to take out the major liquidity that's sitting below us. Fear and Greed index right now is starting to drop back, as you can see right here. It is currently still in that neutral zone. Long versus shorts ratio, we do have more sellers in the market. And overall for the next week, out of the whole week, we only got important news on Tuesday. We got PPI data, and then most of the days are gonna be without news. On Thursday we got unemployments, but that's like every third Tuesday or something. So completely normal week. For the first time since a while, we've always had major basically data weeks, but we still got the war headlines going on. So these are the news that are moving the market right now. So be wary of that. And I do think that this would cover it for this quick Sunday update, guys. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.